Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep Spotify open while you are driving in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner. Then we tap on settings and privacy. Then we scroll down and tap on apps and devices. Then we scroll down again, and here we have an option, keep Spotify open. We can turn this on, and what this does is that when we are in the car using Spotify, using the car thing, the app isn't going to let the phone go to sleep whenever we are controlling Spotify in the car. So if we are listening to something on Spotify in our vehicle, the app isn't going to let the device shut off while we are driving. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.